Hi, Mark here. Wednesday, July the 6th, going on 10 a.m. Eastern. US session well underway. And let's check how the US dollar is performing. US dollar index for starters. There you can see the red candlestick. US dollar being sold off across the board today. Hung in for Monday and Tuesday after Friday's big drop. But today, unable to hold up and US dollar being sold off. Support at 98.16. I've got resistance at 98.64 and the current support being tested at the moment. Let's have a look at the majors. And there you can see how US dollar being sold off against the euro strengthening, support at 115.62, resistance at 116.34, testing that level right now. Let's zoom in to the hourly. And there you can see the strong run the euro is having, buying euro, selling US dollar, and the 116.34 resistance being tested. If there's going to be a turnaround and the US dollar can fight back, it would be at these levels that sellers of euro, buyers of US would look down to the support at the 115.62 level. But for now, US dollar weakness. Let's have a look at the pound. There I've got the daily, and you can see the pound strengthening against the US, testing resistance at $1.33.30 right now, support at 132.77. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see the push. Buyers looking to test that 133.30. Tried it 2 hours ago, unable to maintain, came back down, trying again, buying pounds, selling US dollar. If the US dollar can turn things around and we start to see some US dollar strength of this area, of these levels, they'll be looking down at support, which is at 132.77. US dollar yen. There you see the red candlestick testing support. You got resistance at 147.85 and support at 147.26, testing that level right now. There you see selling US, buying yen, testing the support level. If buyers can fight back and bounce off this support area at the 147.24, they'll be looking up at 147.85 on the upside. US dollar Canadian. Canadian having a strong run, US dollar being sold off. Resistance 137.79. Support has been set at 137.40. There you see it. Let's zoom in on that hourly. There's the sell-off. Selling US dollar, buying Canadian, all the way down to $1.3740. US dollar trying, well, not trying, is fighting back right now. You can see that off the support area, and buyers of US dollar will be looking up here at the $37.79 level. So to start today, weak US dollar across the board. We saw it on the index. We're seeing it against all the four majors. We'll see if the US dollar can fight its way back, or if we're going to see more or continuation of dollar weakness through the US session. Good trading.